girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Baby, you're the best.
Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose
When I say this is a grown woman unit, this is a grown woman unit. ILike hair definitely showed out with this one. Now this one, you guys, actually came pre-curled, like pin curl, like how we would do it at home. This unit is for the grown and sexy. Okay, she is such a beautiful color. I picked this color in particular because it is the fall season. Well, the fall season is like literally right around the corner, and it's time to start bringing out these types of colors, the chocolates, the highlight units, the burgundy units, like that kind of vibe. And you guys know, typically I love curly hair, I love really long hair, and I wanted to step out of my comfort zone today and bring you guys something a little bit different, especially for my women who are a little older or just like this type of look. If you're someone who likes the more classier units, if you're someone who doesn't exactly know how to curl your own hair and you want something that is somewhat ready to wear out of the box, I think this is going to be a great unit for you. And not only that, you guys, but this unit is completely glueless. I did not even have to adhere the unit at all. All you have to do as far as installing this unit is just cut the lace off and then adjust the straps on the inside to fit your head size, and that's literally it as far as putting the unit on. Now for me, I did have to, you know, finesse this unit a little bit and make it work for me, because at first I did become a little overwhelmed because I didn't really know like which way I wanted my part to go. Did I want to do a part? Did I want to leave it like how they had it? Or if I wanted to just, you know, do what I do, which is this right here. I even played around with the curls a little bit, like putting them in a different direction. As you guys can see here, I like fingered the curls to like kind of go like that, and then this curl, I curled it to where it can go this way, so it has like its own little character moment. And then even on this side, when I curled it, I made sure I made like a perfect little swoop right there, almost making like a little swirl design throughout the hair. And I thought that was a very great added detail, very subtle, but still something that makes a difference. They did such a great job, first off, with the color. I love the color of this unit. I love the highlights. As far as the density on this unit, we really have to talk about it because this unit is very full. Like if you wanted to, after like wearing it like this, if you wanted to flat iron this unit out after wearing it, you know, curled like this, and you got over the curls, you are going to love this bob once it's flat ironed out as well, because it's just so full. I would say this is giving 180% density to even possibly 200% density. It is very full, and I love that about it. I don't know if it's just because of the curls and the way that they curled it and everything. It could be because of that, or it just could be because they just put a lot of bundles in this unit. But I love the amount of fullness that we have here. Okay, it's not thin at all, and that's really important when you have a bob, because the worst thing that you want is to have a thin bob. Okay, we like nice full bobs, and this one just does it for me. I love it. I also like the deep parting space that I was able to create with this unit as well, as you guys can see, and it does curve back around this way. So as you guys can see that, it does curve back around this way because it is really beautiful. They did such a great job with the curls. I'm really impressed with that. I never received a unit like that before that had the entire unit already pre-curled with the roller at the top, and basically they gave me a bunch of new free clips as well that I can use. So we love that too. Like, who doesn't need more clips? So that was another great thing I like about it. Now, as far as the length for this one, I want to say that this is a 14-inch. I really do like the fit to this unit. I love the fact that they have both of the straps, and I also wanted to mention that the combs are removable. So if you don't want to sit there and potentially rip a hole in your unit trying to cut the combs out, This unit has removable combs. You literally just slide them out, or you can slide them back in. It's really your preference. I did show you guys how to remove it and put it back in the beginning of the videos. But yeah, you can remove the combs or you can keep them in. They're completely optional. I love that feature of it, and I just love the fact that this company is keeping both of the straps, because I really dislike when the companies don't put the strap in the back. When the strap is not in the back, it just doesn't feel very secure, especially for someone like me who has a smaller head. Like, the fit of a unit is so important for me, because if not, it's just like I can't do a glueless install like how I did today. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to take this comb and I'm just going to show you guys. I can literally go right up underneath here. This is completely glueless. None of this is glued down. And it just goes perfectly, like right back there. Like, look at that. That is so pretty to me. Like the color, the curls, the height that we have here, everything is like perfect. And a lot of the hair is actually like, I would say like a yaki straight type of texture. So yeah, if you're into the yakis, girl, yeah, you're gonna love this one. I actually like the texture of this hair too, because I feel like the texture of the hair is what's also helping the curls stay in place, even the curls that I like redid myself. And I just used this Conair curling iron to fix the curls that I did fix, and this is I believe this is a 1-inch curling iron. So that was like the perfect curling iron to like fix the curls. So that about wraps up today's video. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, ILike Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this unit. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit yourself, I will have a direct link available down below along with all of the details in case it was anything that I didn't cover. Drop a comment down below and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.